Want to get your Hostinger affiliate link? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, click on your profile icon and select Refer and Earn. On that page, scroll down until you see a pencil icon labeled Edit Referral Link. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear, allowing you to modify your link. After making your changes, click Save Changes. Once saved, click on Hosting Plans to explore different hosting plans, including web hosting, premium, business, and cloud hosting. You can switch between various hosting services using the top menu. If you want to refer a specific plan via email, simply click the Copy button next to it, attach it to your email, and share it. That's how you can get your Hostinger affiliate link. Want to earn commissions with Hostinger? Use your unique referral link to invite others and earn rewards. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.